Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system is located in the pelvis region. It includes a pair of testes. Testis is known as the primary sex organ in human being. Two main functions are performed by the testis. The first function is formation of male gamete, that is sperm, and we call this process is spermatogenesis. And second function of testis is the secretion of male sex hormone. Besides testis, there are present secondary sex organs, that is epididymis, which is present behind the testis. 3 male sex glands are present: seminal vesicle, prostate gland and Cooper's gland. Along with these, some ducts are there which carry the sperm from the testis, and these ducts are vasa deferentia and urinogenital duct. External genital organs are also present which help in identify the male human being. In the form of external genital organ, penis is there which help in insemination. What is insemination? That is pouring the semen in which male gamete sperms are present into the female genital tract. Testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity. Testis की क्या पोजीशन है? Development of testis takes place in abdominal cavity during embryonic development, but during their development it shifted into the pouch-like structure which is known as the scrotum. Scrotum is extra abdominal in position. It is present outside the abdominal cavity between the legs. A pouch-like structure is present which is known as the scrotum. Here I am going to draw the structure of scrotum. It is a sac-like structure. Two scrotal sacs are present. One is slightly present towards the lower side and one is present slightly towards the upper side. The size of one scrotal sac is somewhat smaller than the other. In between these two scrotal sacs there is present the scrotal septum. This is the scrotal septum. And these are the scrotal sac. Inside these scrotal sac, oval shape testis is present. The cavity of the scrotal sac is known as vaginal coelom. We called it as vaginal coelom. This vaginal coelom is filled with a tissue which we called it as hydrocele. Hydrocele is the tissue which is present inside the vaginal coelom around the testis. How is the testis fixed in this scrotal sac? There is a tissue which we called it as gubernaculum, which fixes the testis into the scrotal sac. What is the name of the tissue? That is known as the gubernaculum. Which fixes the testis inside the scrotal sac. Besides the gubernaculum, one more cord is there, which is known as the spermatic cord. This is a long cord-like structure through which artery, vein, vasa differentia all leave from here. This is known as the spermatic cord. So both the structure, gubernaculum and spermatic cord, fixes the testis into the scrotal sac. This scrotum is extra-abdominal in position. It is connected with the abdominal cavity through a canal-like structure, and this canal is known as the inguinal canal. Inguinal canal connects this scrotum with the abdominal cavity. Gubernaculum and spermatic cord together fixes the testis into the scrotal sac. Why the testis is present into the scrotum? Development of testis start into the abdominal cavity in the embryonic stage, but later on it shifted into the scrotal sac. Inside the scrotal sac there is present a muscle which is known as the Dartos muscle. What is the Dartos muscle? It regulates the temperature of the scrotum. Temperature of the scrotum is maintained by the Dartos muscle. The temperature of the scrotum is lesser than the abdominal cavity. It is about 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the normal internal body temperature. Why this temperature is required? This temperature of scrotum is necessary for spermatogenesis, that is sperm formation. That's why testis is descend into the scrotum, because at the scrotal temperature, which is 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the normal body temperature, spermatogenesis takes place. What is spermatogenesis? That is the formation of sperm takes place. Around the testis there are present covering. One covering which is present around the testis, what we called it as tunica albuginea. Tunica albuginea. And around the tunica albuginea one more covering is there, which is known as the tunica vaginalis. Tunica vaginalis. One more thing we are going to discuss here. Behind the testis there is present secondary sex organ. Testis act as a primary sex organ. Behind the testis there is present secondary sex organ, that is epididymis, which is not visible from the front side. It is present behind the testis. Other ducts are also there. From the epididymis run the vasa differentia. It enter into the abdominal cavity through this inguinal canal and this vasa differentia. From the abdominal cavity, it joins with the duct and forms the urinogenital duct, which open outside and passes through the external genital organ, that is penis, and open outside. All these duct system we will discuss in our next lecture. एक बार क्विक सम अप करते हैं कि यहाँ पर हमने क्या रीड किया है. Male reproductive system is present in the pelvis region. It comprises of one pair of testes. Testes act as a primary sex organ. What is the function of testes? They help in the formation of male gamete or sperm. The process is known as spermatogenesis. Secretion of male sex hormone also takes place from testes. Besides testes, there are present secondary sex organ. In the form of secondary sex organ, there is present epididymis. 3 male sex glands are present: seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and Cooper's gland. Duct system is also present in male reproductive system, which carry the sperm from testes. In the form of ducts, there is present vasa differentia and urinogenital duct. External genital organs which help in differentiation of male from female, that is penis is present in case of human male, which help in insemination. What is insemination? That is pouring of semen or sperm into the female genital tract. The process is known as insemination. Testis is present into the scrotal sac. It is extra abdominal in position. Scrotal sac is present outside the abdominal cavity. It is a sac-like structure present between the legs. 2 scrotal sacs are present. In the center of scrotal sac, there is present scrotal septum. Inside these scrotal sac, testis is present. Testis is a oval shaped structure. Testis is fixed into the scrotal sac with the help of gubernaculum. This is the gubernaculum which fixes the testis into the scrotal sac. Besides the gubernaculum, there is present spermatic cord, which also help in fixing the testis into the scrotal sac. This scrotal sac or scrotum are connected with the abdominal cavity through a canal which is known as the inguinal canal. The cavity of the scrotum is known as the vaginal coelom, and this vaginal coelom is filled with the tissue which is known as the hydrocele. This is the tissue, that is hydrocele, which is present inside the vaginal coelom. Around the testis there are present 2 covering. The one covering which is present around the testis is known as the tunica albuginea. Outside the tunica albuginea there is present tunica vagitalis. Behind the testis there is present secondary sex organ, that is epididymis. This is the epididymis, which is not visible from the front side. And from the epididymis there arises a duct, that is vasa differentia, which through the inguinal canal enter into the abdominal cavity. Temperature of the scrotum is maintained by a muscle that is known as the Dartos muscle. This muscle controls the temperature of scrotum sac. It keeps the temperature of scrotal sac 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the abdominal body temperature, because at this temperature spermatogenesis, sperm formation takes place. This is all about in this video. Thank you so much.